Hi guys, welcome back. And we're about to do, we're gonna make some butter beer. So I'm gonna do the alcoholic, obviously. And he's doing the non-alcoholic. Although he's old enough to drink, but we'll see what we're gonna do. So the first thing we're gonna do, and this is for both recipes, the only difference between the both recipes is I don't like putting vanilla in the actual alcoholic one because it's kind of nasty to have like a beer or like an ale with ice cream. It's like, it's too much. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use some of my homemade butterscotch. Now I made this like 2 days ago and it was up to here. So obviously I did it right. So I will give you my recipe down below of how to make homemade butterscotch, but it's really, really good. And all of a sudden you can see, you learn that you can put butterscotch in practically everything. So I'm just gonna use like a teaspoon. I'm not gonna use too much. Just like a little too much, and just like drizzle it in there. And it comes frothing up later. And a little bit, not too much. And I try not to make my butterscotch too sweet. It's basically brown sugar, water, and a little bit of salt and a lot of butter. That's what makes it butterscotch. And what I do to mine though is I actually add some rum. Ooh. And it really adds in a nice like butter rum kind of flavor. So here you go. Go ahead, put in as many scoops as you'd like. As many. So instead of using the ice cream, I'm going to use a little bit of heavy whipping cream in the alcoholic version. Let me put this aside so you can see what I'm doing. Just a little bit, not too much. Don't go crazy, don't go overboard. Is that good?
Yes.
Okay, now comes the moment of truth. Let's take this out of the way. You can leave that ice cream in the middle. Go ahead, open yours. Like I said, I have the alcoholic version. Woo! Now I'm just gonna pour a little bit because I am gonna share some of my ale. And there you go, there you go. You see the foaming effect? And you have a little bit of the cream and the foam. And then if you wanted to, we can take the spoon.
Just a little bit.
Just, yeah, if you want to do half. There you go. And see the ice cream? You can just mix it.
To magic.
To magic. So go ahead, try it. Let's see. It's very sweet. I like it.
Wow, this is much better.
Is it really?
It is, it really is.
It's vanilla cream soda and
I actually like this more.
vanilla cream ale. So this is the one that's alcoholic with the vanilla cream
is
ale.
almost exactly the same
Yeah?
as the one, but the soda tastes much better.
Oh, good. Awesome. Ooh. What they usually use is just cream ale, but then what they do that makes it too sweet, from what I understand, is they put condensed milk.
Oh, this
And it's like, so this is pretty good.
is great.
I know, I love it. Okay, we will be, I think this is it. I don't know. We might do one little magic trick for our goodbye, but we'll be back to say goodbye and continue drinking our delicious butter beer. This is good. Yay! Again, I'll put the recipe down below so you can follow all the recipes and make sure you got everything right. And we'll be right back to say goodbye.